What is loop marketing? Loop marketing is the new framework for growth. HubSpot launched it last year in September of 2025, and they launched it along with a massive amount of changes to their platform, all based on AI. You don't have to have HubSpot to implement this. You can have your own tech stack. You just have to be able to piece these parts together in order to build and operationalize the system. So here are the 4 stages, and you can see it's an infinite loop. It doesn't go and then stop, and then you measure, and then you start again. It's this flowing loop where first you're defining, which is express. Second, you're personalizing, which is called tailor. Third, you're distributing, that's amplify. And then finally, you're optimizing, and that's evolve. Express is how are you distinct? You have to be distinct in your brand voice. It has to stand out. Take a point of view, talk about it on LinkedIn, uncover unstated needs and aspirations. You can do things like observe service calls or analyze your competitors' bad reviews, because then you can use their wording, social listening tools, and then finally just interviewing your sales and service teams. In the tailor phase, you're going to be personalizing your content beyond just first name and last name. Personalizing content for what industry they're in, what their function is, where they are in the buyer's journey, buyer intent. It'll alert you when the company's launched a product, bought another company, when their CEO has an article on LinkedIn. It'll alert you in all these different ways so that if they are a really important target customer, it allows you to make your sales emails, your marketing emails much more personalized. Amplify. We want to meet our customers where they are. We want to place our message where they're active. Take your blogs reformatted for AI. It's important now because that's a channel where people are more and more going to do research. Social channels, LinkedIn, TikTok, communities like Reddit, Slack, Quora, and then industry hubs and Facebook groups. Distribution now becomes your competitive advantage, but you're going to get so wiped out if you're trying to be everywhere all at once. Pick your key channels and then let AI do the rest as far as repurposing your content. And then finally, evolve. This is about live insights. You want to have the tools to be able to understand what's happening in whichever channel you're in, and then use AI to automate it. So you're constantly learning and you're constantly compounding your momentum.